Her last question was about the recommended ratiba, voluntary prayer that is highly recommended. Before dhuhr, we are ordered to pray 4 rak'ahs. She says, according to the Hanafi madhab, which is the dominant school of thought in Pakistan and Bangladesh, we were told to pray 4 rak'ahs, like dhuhr, like asr. But now I come to know that the sunnah is to pray 2 rak'ahs, offer salam, then pray 2 rak'ahs. So what should I do? This is the verdict of the majority, that you split them with salam. And this is the safest opinion. However, Shaykh al-Albani has authenticated the hadith that makes it 4 with 1 salam at the end. So I personally am inclined to go with the majority. Why? Because even if you pray 2 rak'ahs, offer salam, 2 rak'ahs, offer salam, the Hanafi school, the scholars of the Hanafi school would not say you have done wrong and your prayer is invalid. But if you do the opposite, if you pray 4 rak'ahs with 1 salam, the majority of scholars would say what you have done is wrong and you should not do that.